how to download OBS or Open Broadcast software. So from your favorite internet browser, for myself I'm going to be using Google Chrome. I went and searched OBS, and then from here the first option that pops up, OBS Open Broadcaster software. Go ahead and click on that. And then it will take you to the OBS main screen, and then you'll see you'll have some options here for which option you want to download. So for myself, I have a Windows machine, so I'd be selecting this option. If you're using Mac OS, make sure you're using a version that is 10.13 or newer. And then there's also an option for Linux. So for myself, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Windows option. And then you'll notice from here, down the bottom left-hand corner, the OBS executable will then go ahead and download. So then what you can go ahead and do is just select that, and then give it a sec as it will open up. It will then ask for administrator privileges. You can go ahead and select yes, and then it will go ahead and download the app itself. And then you'll get this little startup screen saying welcome to OBS Studio 25.0.8 setup. And you go ahead and click on next, and OBS is already running for myself. If it wasn't running for you and is your first time downloading, you would just go through the steps provided and then select the destination folder for where you would like to download it. So that's how you go about downloading and installing OBS Studio for Windows.